Yo, what up tubers? It's your boy Scotty Z coming at you with another EBT video. Today's video, we're going to be replacing the 30 amp Kussmaul auto eject. Pretty straightforward job. Just got to pull those 4 screws on the outside of the box. The hard part, which is just kind of annoying, is pulling that inner wall off. A few handful of things you got to pull off to get out of the way, but you'll see that in the video. So I appreciate you guys for checking it out. Appreciate you guys sticking with it, sticking with me. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, we got our Kussmaul 30 amp right here. Complaint is it won't auto eject. So we'll just verify that complaint and jump in here, start the truck, and see if this thing pops out or not.
It broke.
Alright, so it says it's a little black plunger in here, and that is supposed to, it's got a motor inside and it'll eject, it'll supposed to push that plug out. So there's a little brass pin here, so that will be depressed, telling it, hey, I got something in here, sending a signal to that armature to pull out.
How to pull out.
You have to pull out, bro.
So see what we got going on here. Okay, so sometimes you can get lucky and open this panel up right here. There's 4 screws to hold that on, but most of the time it's gonna be back in here, so most of the time you gotta pull this whole wall off. It's the easiest way. Okay, so we can pull the screws out, open this door up, and you can see right there. So if this is the 20 amp, we could probably pull that out, but since this thing is so beefy, we'll try. I'll try to pull it out the way it sits, but you have like the suction controls right there. I don't think we'll be able to get it out the way it stands, but we'll give it a try. Already pull the 4 screws out. Yeah, there's not going to be much room. You can see we still have to go back another inch, and that thing was right up on the wall, so we'll end up having to pull that wall. Okay, as you guys probably couldn't maybe tell a little bit on that time lapse, a little bit of pain, get this wall. All you need is a little bit to get the auto eject out. As you can see, it was kind of a pain. Usually they're not that hard to pull off. I guess granted, since this is probably the first time it's come off, probably why it was so difficult. Right now I'm just cutting some zip ties off here to give myself more play around with this cord here. Alright, I got this joker out of here and pull the cover. I want to check, make sure that I'm getting 12 volts to that auto eject plunger. Okay, so what we're gonna do is make sure, I'm gonna have someone crank it and make sure I got 12 volts going across the motor here. I got 12 volts going across the motor, then it's probably the motor that's just locked up. And if I don't, then I need to start looking for a fuse that's blown. Okay, go ahead. I'm just getting a constant 9 volts to it.
Fire dispatch.
Let me oh, I guess that makes sense. I probably should have that. Okay, now. It's still just staying around 9 volts. Okay, so right now I got the motor completely disconnected. I'm gonna use my power probe to directly activate it to see if it's just the motor that's seized up. Ground hooked up. Okay. It's going the wrong way.
Go the wrong way.
It's going the wrong way. Alright y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this auto eject fully and to where we can kind of look at it and play with it to see if there's anything obviously wrong inside of there before just replacing it. Okay, Sammy, go ahead. Okay, so since I have power, ground, and a signal, I'm gonna assume something in the board is messed up. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect these wires after turning the power off and do a little bit more checking on the board and see if I can't find anything obvious. You see me taking a lot of pictures sometimes. I want to make sure get everything back where it's supposed to go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the Kussmaul auto eject. So a little unboxing here. It's the Super 30. Comes with a little manual. Super 30 auto eject, 30 amps. Model number 09115930120. Got the door. Comes with a plug for your short line and your auto eject. So let me go ahead and wire this one in, and then we'll make sure that everything's all hunky-dory, if you know what I'm saying.
What are you talking about, Willis?
Okay, we got the new Kussmaul plug wired up and buttoned up. So I'm gonna put this back in. Put it back in the hole. If we can. I think that's the way I pulled it out. There we go. There we go. Yeah, not too bad. I will go on the outside and try to put some screws in and test it out. Okay, brand new plug. We'll install a brand new door. Maybe the trick is to start the bottom ones first. Hey. That's pretty close on that hole. Of course, I don't have the right bit.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Started? Yeah, I did start it. Started by hand.
You're an idiot!
Yeah, that's fine. Send it. So yeah, that's gonna pretty much do it for today's video. Pretty straightforward process, not hard at all. This video is more or less for the people who's never done one before, who kind of want to see what they're getting into. So until the next time, don't just follow the wolves, lead the pack. Later.